ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Today we will do monthly horoscope for September 2021 and next in the series we will take natives with Libra sign. To know what is coming in September for these people with respect to their careers, love and relationship, finance, health, and at the end of it we will do remedies to overcome the problems. So friends, let us start with monthly horoscope September 2021 Libra sign, and if you like my video then at the end of it please share it, like it, and also please subscribe to my channel. As you can see a chart here which is the transit chart of September 2021 where Ketu is placed in second house in the Scorpio sign, Saturn placed in Capricorn in fourth house, Jupiter in Aquarius in fifth house, Rahu in Taurus in eighth house, Sun and Mars placed together in 11th house in Leo sign, and Mercury and Venus placed in Virgo in the 12th house. Now regarding the career point of view, September 2021 for Libra is not good for career development as Saturn is aspecting the 10th house from the 4th house and it can create problems with superiors or senior official. There are also high chances of arguments taking place between you and your senior official. So you are advised and you should try to keep your mind stable. After the first 2 weeks, Jupiter will travel to the Jupiter will travel to the fourth house in Capricorn sign in the sign of debilitation. Although Jupiter would be weak then, but its aspect on the 10th house will create some pleasurable moment or blissful moment or environment in the professional sphere. And after the first 2 weeks, Sun will also transit to the next house, which would be 12th house with Mercury making Budh Aditya Yoga, and from there it would be aspecting the 6th house and you will be able to crush your enemies with your intelligence. People who are into business, 7th Lord Mars is in 11th house with Sun, which is the 11th Lord, and thus making a Dhan Yoga, because also Mars being second Lord placed in 11th house with 11th Lord making a beautiful Dhan Yoga. So new business ventures, new partnerships will be very profitable. Also Mars is aspected by Jupiter from 5th house, meaning thereby expansion of current business is very much on the cards. You may be able to achieve success in your endeavor. Also for the first 2 weeks, Jupiter would be aspecting the 7th Lord Mars and 11th Lord Sun from the 5th house. You will go for expansion and gain his business aggressively with a lot of fire and courage. Those having foreign related business will also gain profit as 12th Lord Mercury is placed in the 12th house in the sign of exaltation, but caution is also needed for natives having females as partner in their business for the first week of September, because Venus would be placed in 12th house in the sign of debilitation with 12th Lord Mercury. Now regarding the financial point of view, there would be good cash flow for Libra natives during this month of September due to planetary position. Mars as a second Lord is placed in the 11th house with 11th Lord Sun making a beautiful Dhan Yoga, which is also aspected by a benefic planet Jupiter, due to which there will be income through your business. Also aspect of planet Jupiter on the house of income will prove very favorable and your economic status would increase. New source of earning money will be made available to you. Also, for the first week, ascendant Lord Venus will be in the 12th house with 12th Lord Mercury in Virgo sign, where Venus will get debilitated, due to which you might do unnecessary and wasteful spending on yourself. For the first 2 weeks of September, Sun will be in the own house or own sign, which would be Leo in 11th house. So people related with government sector or having connection with people in government will earn good business from them due to their contact. Also, new contacts with powerful persons is also possible during that period. But it should also not be forgotten that Ketu is present in the second house, because of which there could be some pressure on your saving, but due to continuous flow of income you might not face too much of a problem. Now, regarding the love and relationship, from the point of view of love, this month is expected to bring mixed result, as 7th Lord Mars is placed in the 11th house with 11th Lord Sun, and due to Mars and Sun, two fiery planets together and aspecting the 5th house of love and romance, there might be arguments or clashes between the lovers, so it is advisable to remain calm. Also, since during the first week of the month Venus will be debilitated in the 12th house, so you have to be all the more careful. But after first week, Venus will transit into ascendant in own sign, that is Libra sign, and aspecting the 7th house, things will start improving. Also, presence of Jupiter in the 5th house will provide strength to your relationship. For married natives, after first week of month of September, when Venus transit into Lagna or ascendant in Libra sign and aspecting the 7th house of marriage, there would be full of love, romance and mutual understanding between husband and wife because of Venus, which is aspecting the 7th house of marriage. Now, regarding the health point of view, your health may be good after the first week when Venus will transit into ascendant, which would be own sign of Venus, Libra sign, and also the ascendant would be aspected by a benefic planet Jupiter. So health would be good after the first week of the month. Also, since Saturn is placed into the 4th house, it will give or chest problem, or aspecting the 6th house, it can also give waist problem. So chest problem or waist problem could be there due to position of Saturn. Rahu present in the 8th house will give unbalanced routine. Chronic disease can disturb you once again. However, the aspect of Jupiter on the ascendant from the 5th house for the first 2 weeks will keep things moving. Even though there will be no major problem, precaution is necessary. The remedies would be do the mantra for Venus for relationship problems and do the mantra of Saturn for problems in profession. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, like it, share it, and also please subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911 351 351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।